$7 for one avocado? Is it handpicked by royalty? Does it pay my rent? If you've ever found yourself spending way too much on things you don't need, you're not alone. Let me tell you how I used to be terrible with money, until I learned these 10 genius money-saving hacks that changed my life. Once upon a time, I had a serious problem. I was an impulse shopper. Midnight boredom, buy something. Stress, buy something. Limited time sale, buy everything. Until one day my bank account said, "Try me one more time." So I had to make a change. Now, before I buy anything, I wait 24 hours. If I still want it the next day, fine. But 90% of the time, I forget about it. Saved me from buying a $300 bread-making machine because I suddenly wanted to be a baker. Spoiler, I do not bake. I checked my bank statement and realized I was paying for a gym membership that I hadn't used in 6 months. Oh, and I was still subscribed to Dog Lovers magazine. I don't even have a dog. Do yourself a favor, go through your subscriptions and cancel the ones you forgot existed. It's like finding free money. I used to save money by saying I'll save whatever's left at the end of the month. Newsflash, there was never anything left. Now I set up automatic transfers to my savings right when I get paid. If you don't see it, you won't spend it. It's like tricking your future self into being responsible. Grocery shopping hungry is a guaranteed way to come home with 17 snacks and no actual meals. Eat a snack first. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. Brand names are a scam. The generic cereal tastes the same. The store brand painkillers work the same. The only difference? The fancy box. Save your money. There are apps that literally give you money back for shopping. It's like your past self handing you a few bucks and saying, "Here, go get yourself something nice." Why would you not use them? I did the math. My $5 daily coffee habit was costing me over $1,800 a year. That's a vacation. That's a chunk of a car payment. That's a lot of money. Now, I make my coffee at home and only treat myself occasionally. My wallet is thriving. Before buying anything online, Google promo code plus the store name. You'd be surprised how often you'll find a discount. Takes 30 seconds, saves you money, easy win. Leaving things plugged in drains energy, even when they're off. I started unplugging stuff when I'm not using it, and my electricity bill actually dropped. Who knew my toaster was low-key robbing me? There's something painful about handing over cash versus swiping a card. Try the cash-only method for fun spending. When the cash is gone, it's gone. No overdraft surprises, no regretful bank statements. And that's how I stopped wasting money and started saving without feeling deprived. Which one of these hacks are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a financial glow-up. See you next time. Click the next video for more money tips.